folks, welcome back to the Camping Post. Today we are going to talk about fire starters. And I never thought I would actually be using a purchased fire starter. I come from a background of Boy Scouting, camping every month, collecting firewood, building the fire. We even used to have competitions where you had to build a fire and burn a string that was, I don't know, like 2 feet above the fire within a minute using just one match. So using a fire starter sort of goes against every grain in my body, but since we've been camping more with the family at campgrounds, state parks, a lot of times you don't have access to twigs. Firewood is usually larger. You get it in a bundle. So starting a fire from scratch is a little bit harder when you can't go out and forage for the little small twigs and kindling that you need. Sometimes we use lint from our dryer, which works pretty well. But if we only are stuck with large chunks of firewood from a bundle that we can get at the park, I have found that these pull start fire starters are absolutely awesome at starting a fire and getting those larger logs to catch on fire. This pull start fire basically is a firework fire starter. Looks like you can get them in like packs of 3. Basically, it comes with a string on either end, a red string and the green string, and then you attach the green string to the log, and the red string is your pull, and you put this in the middle of your fire, and you pull this thing, and it ignites, and it starts your fire without a doubt. I don't think there's any chance that it wouldn't start just about any type of fire that you built. Typically what I'll do is build a log cabin, get some sticks on top, and then put these in the middle. It's absolute lifesaver when you don't have access to that kindling in your local campground or park that you're at. So now I keep a few of these in the camper or in our camp kit if we're camping, and it's a great easy way to get a fire going without a whole lot of trouble. In this video we are going to show you just how these work on site at a campground. All right, here's our awesome log cabin, which we did have some sticks to put on, and now we are lighting this puppy up. Woo-wee! And just literally a few minutes later, we had a pretty sweet fire using some pretty sweet cedar wood that we got at Belle Isle State Park in Virginia. Now, I don't know if that's the fire starter or the cedar wood, but that fire kept raging for some time. As you can see, that flame is pretty tall. Again, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel and turn on post notifications. Give us a thumbs up on this video if this was useful to you. Happy camping.
Don't forget to subscribe and turn on post notifications!